Welcome students, welcome to lecture number 10, and today's lecture is associative law under addition. Now what is associative law? According to definition, this law states that if we have three matrices A, B and C and both are of the same order, then A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. What does it mean? This means that if we have three matrices of the same order, if we add first two matrices and then add the third matrix in that sum, or if we add last two matrices and add the first matrix in this sum, the answer will be same. For example, in real numbers, we have three numbers, for example 1, 2 and 3. If we add first two numbers, the answer is 3, and then the sum will be added to this third number, the answer is 6. Or if we add the last two numbers, 3 plus 2 is 5, and the sum will be added to this first number, 5 plus 1 is 6, the answer will be same. So associative law, you have three matrices and both are of the same order. If you add first two matrices and then add the third matrix in this, or add last two matrices and then add first matrix in this sum, the answer will be same. For example, look at here we have three matrices of the same order, and the associative law says that A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. That is, we have to add the first two matrices and then in third matrix we will find the sum, and in right hand side we will find the sum of last two matrices and then add first matrix in the sum. The answer will be same. Now in solution we will take left hand side. The left hand side is A plus B plus C. First of all, we will solve this bracket term, that is the sum of first two matrices. The sum of first two matrices A plus B is, this is matrix first 1 0 0 1 and this is matrix B 2 0 0 2. We will add corresponding elements. I told you in previous lecture. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 0 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we have to add the third matrix in the sum. The solution is 3 0 0 3 and the third matrix is 3 0 0 3 here. So we have to add these two matrices. Corresponding elements will be added. 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 sum is 0 and 3 plus 3 is 6. We will write this as equation number 1, and then we will take in right hand side. The right hand side is A plus B plus C. First of all, we will find the sum of last two matrices. We will add corresponding elements again, and the sum is 5 0 0 5, and then we will add first matrix in the sum, 1 0 0 1 into 5 0 0 5, and we will add these. The corresponding elements will be added and the solution is 6 0 0 6. If you will look at here, equation 1 and 2, they both have same order 2 plus 2 and same order 6 0 0 6 6 0 0 6. So from equation 1 and 2 you can say that associative law is proved, or A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Hope you enjoy this lecture. In the next lecture I will discuss additive identity of matrices. Thanks.